Hi. I used to love fire alarms as a kid. Now I can't really put my finger on, or truth to be told, that was exactly what I could. But I can't really tell you what was so tantalizing about them. Was it that big red button hidden behind that frosted glass that you needed to break to press it, or was it the rebelliousness of doing something you really weren't allowed to? Or was it basically just an easy fix to get out of a boring school day? Anyhow, I'm an adult now and I own a 3D printer. So I made one. Yeah. So that happened.